Hola, hola, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make your very own reverse canvas. So if you would like to learn how, then just keep on watching. All right, so for this project, you're going to need a canvas. I got this small one at the Dollar Tree. You can also go to Walmart and get you a bigger one like this one. I believe this is an 8 by 10. It's about $3 at Walmart. You're also going to need either some wood stain or some paint, as well as scissors and a hot glue gun. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to do a small reverse canvas. I'm going to do this little one that I got at the Dollar Tree. If you want to make a bigger one, you're just going to follow these exact same steps, but obviously on a bigger canvas. So I'm going to start by taking off the canvas off of the wood frame. I'm just going to peel back and cut around the staples. It doesn't matter if you leave the staples in or not because you're not going to be able to see it. Now it's okay if it leaves holes on this part because you're eventually going to cut it off. I have successfully taken the canvas part off of the wooden frame. Now basically the reason they call it a reverse canvas is obviously we've already taken this off. We are going to stain the wood part now, and then eventually we're going to attach this to the back, and it's going to peek through like this. So before I stain my wood piece, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to outline on my canvas how big it is I need it to be to fit onto the back of the frame. That way I can cut off all of the excess. Alright, so I have it measured here. I'm just going to cut off the rest of the excess. Alright, and this is what our canvas looks like now. I'm going to put this to the side. Now I'm going to stain my wooden frame. If you'd like, you can sand this down before you stain it. I am going to leave it as is to give it more of a rough texture. If you don't have wood stain, you can always paint it. You can do a colored paint, white paint, black paint, whichever you prefer. You can get these paints at Walmart. I think they're like 50 cents. Pretty cost efficient, so that's another option for you. I'm going to stain this with some leftover wood stain that I had already here at my house. Be careful with this staining process because one, it can get messy, and two, make sure you are doing it in a well ventilated area because the smell of this stain is very strong. Alright, so I am going to stain the front part of the frame. You will know what the front is and the back is because the front doesn't have anything on it. The back is where you left the staples at. Make sure you do get the inside of the frame because it will be visible, and the outside as well. The back is going to go on the wall, so the back part does not matter if you stain it. Okay, so I have officially finished staining the frame. I'm going to put this to the side to dry, and then we're going to create a saying on the canvas part while this dries. So taking the canvas part that we cut out already to fit the frame, I'm going to just write a cute saying using a pencil. I don't have the best of writing, but I'm going to try. If you don't want to mess up your canvas and drawing it yourself or writing it yourself, you can also find cute little sayings at the Dollar Tree. They sell stickers, kind of like this one. So if you wanted to use the laundry part and put it on a bigger reverse canvas, then you could do that as well and use it as decor in your laundry room. So for mine, I'm going to put hola, which is hello in Spanish. And then I'm going to put exclamation marks on both ends. I'm always thinking of cute classroom decor that I can DIY. And this one's really cute, really easy. And let's go ahead and hopefully I can get this straight. Here's what I have so far. No, it is not perfect, but I am going to go over it with paint. I am going to do a blue paint. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the design that I came out with. I know it's not perfect, but I think it came out kind of cute. So we're going to give it a minute for it to dry, and then we're going to attach this to the frame. So now to finish off, I'm going to attach the canvas back onto the frame. How I'm going to attach is I'm going to use a hot glue gun and glue all along the edge on top of the staples. And then I'm going to flip it over carefully and place it right on top of the canvas. And then press firmly down. You should have measured the canvas perfectly to where nothing is sticking out, but if you do have a little bit sticking out, scissors and then just trim it right off. And here is the final product. Super cute, super easy to do. This is something that you could use to decorate your house around with, decorate your classroom. You can also make these as gifts for people. Again, I got this at the Dollar Tree. I spent maybe $3 on supplies to get stuff that I didn't have. I already had stain, but again, if you don't have stain, you can use just regular tape. But it came out really cute. Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed crafting along. If you do try this, make sure you tag me on Instagram. You can find me at Life with Patricia. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what you would like to see in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed so that you are notified every time that I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Adios!